इस देश में धार्मिक युद्ध भड़काने के लिए केवल और केवल सुप्रीम कोर्ट जिम्मेवार है।
Hours after BJP MP Nishikant Dubey launched a strong attack on the Supreme Court, including blaming Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna for all civil wars in the country, party president JP Nadda on Saturday said the Bharatiya Janata Party completely rejected these remarks and warned against such statements. Earlier in the day, Dubey posted his ENI video clips on X in which he responded to questions on the Waqf law and the recent violence in West Bengal.
इस देश में धार्मिक युद्ध भड़काने के लिए केवल और केवल सुप्रीम कोर्ट जिम्मेवार है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एकमात्र उद्देश्य है शो मी द फेस विल शो यू द लॉ। सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपनी सीमा से बाहर जा रहा है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सीमा यह है कि भारत का संविधान जिस कानून को बनाया उस कानून की उसको व्याख्या करनी है, और यदि वो व्याख्या नहीं कर सकती है और सब कुछ के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना है, इस संसद का कोई मतलब नहीं है, विधानसभा का कोई मतलब नहीं है, उसको बंद कर देना चाहिए।
He criticized the Supreme Court's recent decisions on red flagging aspects of the Waqf law and suggesting it could stay them, and setting a timeline for the president to clear bills. Underlining that it is the parliament which makes laws, he said in a post on X, quote unquote, if the Supreme Court makes the law, then Parliament House should be closed. Hours later, in a post on X at night, Nadda distanced the BJP from Dubey's remarks. He wrote on X, quote unquote, the BJP has nothing to do with the statements made by BJP MPs Nishikant Dubey and Dinesh Sharma on the judiciary and the CJI. These are their personal statements, but the BJP neither agrees with such statements nor does it ever support such statements. The BJP completely rejects these statements. BJP has always respected the judiciary and gladly accepted its orders and suggestions because, as a party, we believe that all the courts of the country, including the Supreme Court, are an integral part of a democracy and are the strong pillar protecting our constitution. I have instructed both of them and everyone else not to make such statements. Party sources said there was no talk of any disciplinary action yet. Earlier in the day, Dubey had told the Indian Express that he had not talked to his party before expressing his views. When contacted after Nadda's public posts, Dubey said he would follow the party line. He told the Indian Express, quote unquote, I'm a disciplined soldier of the party, I will go by what the party says. Earlier, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar had also criticized the Supreme Court's decision to set a timeline for the president to clear bills.
We cannot have a situation where you direct President of India. And on what basis? The only right you have under the Constitution is to interpret the Constitution under Article 145(3). There it has to be 5 judges or more, boys and girls. When Article 145(3) was there, the number of judges in the Supreme Court was 8. 5 out of 8. Now 5 out of 30 and odd. But forget about it. The judges who issued a mandamus virtually to the president and presented a scenario it will be law of the land have forgotten the power of the Constitution. How can that combination of judges deal with something under Article 145(3) is preserved? It was then for 5 out of 8. We need to make amends in that also now. 5 out of 8 would mean interpretation will be by majority. Or 5 constitutes more than majority in 8. But leave that aside. Article 142. Article 142 has become a nuclear missile against democratic forces. Available to judiciary 24/7.